This is Lukwago Swali expounding more about what a protest vote is all about. After detecting a group of struggling political commentators, so-called, misleading some Ugandans that a protest vote means to elect only the president and ignore other leaders, I call upon all concerned Ugandans to hold them with the context they deserve. Okay? The president, His Excellency KYAGULANYI SENTAMU, made it clear that Ugandans you should participate in all elective positions and requested you to elect leaders who can be held accountable and to beat them where necessary. My brother Umaru Chiseka made it clear that he is holding leaders accountable to remind them to stick on the revolutionary path and rectify their mistakes that are detected within the public statements they are making. Okay? Protest votes can be an effective way for voters to express their discontent and bring attention to issues that they care about. However, it's worth noting that protest votes may not always be counted or recognized and may not have a direct impact on the outcome of an election. Okay? What is a protest vote? A protest vote is a vote cast in an election to express dissatisfaction with the available candidates of the current political system. It is a way for voters to signal their discontent rather than simply abstaining from voting. Protest votes can take many forms. Mark this. Decline the ballots. Write-in votes. Vote for fringe candidates. Black or null ballots. In black or null ballots, voters may submit black ballots or intentionally spoil their ballots to express their dissatisfaction. For Uganda's case, that cannot work. Vote for fringe candidates. Voters may cast their ballots for candidates who have little chance of winning as a way of protesting the mainstream candidate. In fact, we should embrace this. Vote for fringe candidates. There are MPs who have annoyed Ugandans. They have not served to the expectations of Ugandans. Okay? They veered off from their main roles as MPs, like legislation, oversight, lobbying, and representing them. Many veered off and chose to succumb to Museveni's politics of bribery and compromise. Okay? Write-in votes. Voters may write in the name of a candidate who is not on the ballot as a form of a protest. That can this form can also make our protest vote irrelevant to Uganda's case, because we need numbers. We are in a multi-party dispensation, okay, where many political parties are competing for elective position. You happen to write in names of voters who are not on the ballot paper. You are destroying that election. Decline the ballots, where in some jurisdiction voters may decline to cast a ballot which can be seen as a form of a protest. In our case, a declined ballot does not work. And I've heard someone making it clear to Ugandans that go and elect only the president. Go and vote. Cast your ballot only for the president. And ignore and decline ballots for MPs and the other leaders. No. Instead, you should advise Ugandans to go and elect for MPs with revolutionary minds. You happen to decline those ballots, the protest vote is gonna impact nothing. So, you have baked Ugandans with that mentality that the protest vote means only electing the president. That is a big no to you. And actually, it exhibits how ignorant you are about what a protest vote is all about. Okay? We need a protest vote that will be impactful to us. Ugandans must go to the ballots and vote for leaders with revolutionary minds to serve with our president, His Excellency KYAGULANYI SENTAMU Robert. But not leaders who will easily succumb to Museveni's politics of bribery and compromise. When they reach to those elective positions, those leadership positions, they just keep quiet rather than focusing on what took them, on the reasons as to why Ugandans elected them into those positions. So, if there are elected leaders who betrayed us, it is the high time actually to vote them out. That is what the protest vote means in the context of Uganda's political landscape, complex landscape.